Network Entertainment.
Spit Manila.
Hi everyone, welcome to Tawa Let's with Spit, episode 3. I'm Kara and with me are
Ding dong.
Bibay.
Papu.
Hey.
Hey.
Woohoo! Alright, so nakakatatlong episodes na tayo. At tutuloy lang natin ang kwentuhan.
Yeah.
Bibay, sa
Yes.
previous episode, nagkwento na kami how we started with improv. So we'd like to ask you, paano ka nga ba nag-start with improv?
Mm-mm.
Okay. So, I'm not sure. Siguro mga 18 years ago. Almost 19 years ago. Monica Chester and I would watch Spit in Magnet Katipunan every Thursday.
Mm-mm.
Because that was Spit Day. Thursday was Spit Day. So,
Tuesday.
Tuesday pala. Joke lang.
Correct.
Tuesday.
Mm-mm.
Tuesday. Tapos, open jam sila. They decided na magkaroon ng open jam sa Ateneo. And then, parang ang setup is anyone can come and then we would meet every week. And then, mag-jam lang. Wala talagang program. So, yun, yung mostly mga OG members din sila. Ding Dong, sila Gabe, sila Akong, yan. And then, eventually, nagkaroon ng showcase din. Para may recital, ganon. Sa Magnet Katipunan din. So, every week, may 3 jammers na mag-recital. Mag-showcase. Tapos, yung mga natira pa rin, parang after nung nag-showcase na lahat, yung mga natira, nag-decide yung mga OG members na, sige, absorb na lang natin sila. So, and at that time, I didn't consider myself an artist. I didn't have an artistic bone in my body. And for that year, I think it was the beginning of my artist journey. So, I discovered improv. So, I tried my hand in it. And then photography at siguro the same 2 months. And I did film photography with toy cameras. So, yung shout out sa Lomo Manila. I was a Lomo Manila member. Yun. Here we are now.
Na, ano yung na-feel mo nung sinabi nila na parang you are joining Spit na?
Yes.
Did you expect that at all?
No. No naman. Pero it was just like, yay, ganon. But, nakakatawa kasi, eventually, hindi namin kabatch sila. Si Arin came later, a few months later, and then eventually Happy and Maliksi. Nakakatawa because Happy would say, kami yung mga newer members were the Team B.
Team B.
Oo. And hindi na ginamit yun kasi nagkaroon ng issue. Nagkaroon ng issue. Hindi ko na sasabihin ko ano yung issue na yun. So, wala daw Team B. Basta lahat
Isang team
team tayo.
Correct.
Okay. So, yun na nga. Yun na yung ayun.
Nag-start yan. And this was in
2006.
2006.
Yeah.
2006.
And then after nun, weekly ka na rin nagsho-show with Spit.
Oo.
So,
And then I just took a break when I was siguro for a year when I was doing my thesis for my master's.
Yes.
Oh.
Pero what brought you to watching Spit shows regularly?
Niyaya lang ako ni Monica at saka ni Chester. Kasi parang nauna yata sila, siguro they watched like 1 or 2 because Missy was there.
Na friend ni Monica.
Friend ni Monica. So, very close friend, high school friends si Monica and Missy. And then, so si Monica and Chester, inaya lang nila ako. Siguro nakanood na sila na ng 1 or 2 shows. And then sabi nila, may ganito, walang script, ganyan. So, I didn't know anything about improv. I didn't know it existed. And then, yun.
Nakakatawa kasi you mentioned, Bibay, now, wala kang artistic bone in your body when
No.
you started, even joining the jams pa.
Yes.
So for you, ang laking transition ba nun sa'yo as a person na suddenly you're doing
Kasi for
improv?
context,
Mm-mm.
si Bibay ay teacher.
Yes.
Diba?
SPED teacher.
Yes.
I specialized, past tense, in
Mm-mm.
autism, ADHD, learning disabilities.
Mm-mm.
So I did that. I retired from teaching in 2018 when I decided to join Third World Improv
Mm.
and focus on the school. Third World
Mm.
Improv.
That's right. Where doon tayo nanggaling pa
Yes.
sa Third World Improv.
Yes.
We learned improv through the school naman, si Third World Improv. Which of course, Spit members established.
Yes.
In 2015.
2015, yes.
Ayun, exciting. Pag-usapan natin. Kasi you decided naman 2019 to launch an audition for a house team of Third World Improv. So how did you get into that decision? Tama?
2019. That was
2019.
2019.
Oo.
Yes.
Paano ba? Ano kasi yun? Nung una, akala namin yung nung unang plano kasi ng TWI, para siyang Hogwarts na may houses.
Wow.
Okay. So I would like to hear about this.
Yes.
Okay.
Na parang, so, after mo mag-graduate, pupunta ka ba dun sa Gryffindor? Ganun ka ba?
Pero ano yung distinction?
Wala lang, basta, yun lang.
Okay.
May parang may
Okay.
ganun. Anong nangyari, pagkatapos ng isang class, after 5 levels, sila na yung grupo. Tapos yung next sila yung grupo. So sabi na, sige, 2 pa para 4. Tapos, kanya-kanyang grupo, ayun na maghiwalay. So parang, so wala tayong house team. Kasi nga, lahat ng classes magiging team ng kanya-kanya. So parang, ang idea nun was to start another improv group na pwedeng Spit Junior. Parang gano'n na. Pag hindi kaya yung budget ng Spit, ito yung, para lang dumami yung mag-show na improv groups na kumikita din.
And in a way, parang aspirational rin yun. Ito yung mga nakuha products of TWI
Yeah.
na we feel na, okay, kaya nito. Kaya nila na
Mag-show.
kailangan na hindi sila inaakay. Hindi walang umaakay sa
Yeah.
kanila. Oo.
Kasi at that time din, meron din namang mga na organically na perform na groups
Yes.
na from
Correct.
different classes na parang, tayo, nagka-QC, lahat mga taga-QC, lahat na mga ganun. So parang, halo-halo na natin. So parang, pimili na tayo from kasi madami nang graduate by
Sobrang
that time.
dami na.
So, magpa-audition na. Parang kasi ganun naman din sa States na may auditions to join a group. Tapos, tapos yun. So, nagpa-audition. Tapos, nag-audition kayo.
Tama.
Yes. And how was that experience for you, Paps? Gusto ko din malaman. Kasi
Ah,
hindi tayo makakilala nun eh.
Pero sabay tayo nag-audition.
Yes.
Oo.
Same
Tama.
group.
Same group. Same batch
Ano
kami.
lang
That's yun, diba?
Parang,
Sign up, by
Random,
sign up.
random.
Kung kailan ka available.
Tama.
Correct.
How was that for me? Hindi ko alam, actually. Parang nag-audition lang din ako. First time ko ever mag-audition in my life. Yun, nangyari. Hindi ko nga maisip na kung hindi ako nakalusot doon sa audition, anong mangyayari sa improv at Papu de Leon? Parang, anong magiging relationship na yun? Kasi parang it gave me a reason to continue pursuing improv. Kasi nga, meron kami nung mga occasional friend performing groups, mga Pochinki Pals, and etc.
Yes.
Pero alam mo yun, parang the moment mabusy ka, hindi ka na hindi mo na ipaprioritize mag-perform. Pero dahil nagkaroon ng house team, parang all of a sudden, meron kang duty not just to represent the school, pero at the same time, actually contractually obliged kami
May
to make this group work.
May commitment.
Yes,
Oo.
yes. And of course, meron din kasi siyang promise and training from Spit. So parang it's additional learning outside of the 5 levels we took, outside of any masterclass we took. So parang, siya all of a sudden, parang nagkaroon ng fuel yung flame further nung nakapasok na.
Buti na lang nakapasok.
Buti na lang! Kundi, wala ako dito.
Wala ka.
Malamang nagtatrabaho ako sa opisina or
Alam mo,
something.
Kagrupo mo ako, hindi naman ako nagduda.
Oh?
Hindi masyado. Sinasabi ko na lang ngayon to for relationship.
Okay.
And then,
Sinabi mo rin.
pero Paps, syempre, nung pumunta ka sa audition, did you have any expectations for yourself na, tutuloy ko to dahil mag-audition ako? Or just really for the kick of it. Mm-mm.
I wanted to get in.
Oo.
Hindi siya yung parang, matry ko lang or gusto ko lang. Kasi naman marami naman akong improv playmates, kumbaga.
Oo.
Parang gusto ko lang i-try na parang uubra ba ako to take improv to the next level for myself.
Mm-mm.
At gumana naman siya.
I love it.
Yeah. Hindi ko, yeah.
Correct. And tatanungin natin mamaya yung mga judges din na nandun.
Yes.
Ayun.
Wait lang, ikaw muna sumagot
oo,
ka.
oo.
Ba't ako lang sumagot?
Hindi, gusto ko tayo on the spot eh.
Kidding.
Ayan. So for me, actually, Didi, yung sinabi mo kanina, mga different houses, yun yung inisip ko nung mag-audition ako for the house team. Sabi ko, ay, alam mo, baka formality lang tong audition, matatanggap lahat ng pupunta. Kasi may mga different houses. Parang feeling ko, ay, baka may iba't ibang group, tinitignan lang nila. So, ang thinking ko doon, bakit ko nga ba inisip na lahat matatanggap? Parang, kasi siguro yung nga ng improv na yes and gano'n.
Yeah.
Pero nung nag-prepare ako for that by singing every Broadway songs I know. Pang-hype lang. Pang-hype lang.
Okay.
Legally Blonde, ganyan. So, pumunta na ako doon. Tapos, kagrupo ko nga si Paps. Hindi ko kilala.
At the
Wala
time,
akong close
oo.
relationship doon sa
Yeah.
mga nakasama ko.
Kasi Makati ka QC ako.
Oo. So, alam ko na may Papu, pero hindi ko pa siya nakaka-interact in any way. Re-improv. Tapos, naalala ko, Paps, ikaw yung huling dumating sa grupo
Yes.
natin. Oo.
Yes.
So, parang ako nakasettle na ako. Ito yung mga kagrupo. Okay. Kami yun. And then, dumating si Papu. Kasama pala si Papu. Ganyan. At naglaro na. Tapos, nag-enjoy lang din ako nung nag-audition. Tapos, Didi, meron akong hindi makalimutan. Kasi, syempre, teacher kita, diba? Teacher kita. So, ikaw yung una kong pinuntahan after nung audition. Tapos, sinalubong mo din ako with smiling face. Baka hindi mo naalala yun. Kasi limitado yung mga moments. Pero sinalubong mo ako. So, parang ay, masaya si Didi. Kasi at that time, syempre, student ako. Gusto ko, I make my teacher proud. Wow! So, parang ako, masaya si Didi. So, masaya na ako, whatever happens. And then, ayun na. Tama, same with what Papo said. Parang yung meron ding mindset na, may joke pa nga tayo nun, Paps, kung naalala mo, sabi natin, this is an arranged marriage between us house team na, kasi nga, commitment siya. Na parang, okay, whatever happens, we're gonna make it work. And then, we had trainings pa with Ding Dong and Aaron. So, and then, sige, mamaya natin pag-usapan when the pandemic hit.
Yes, mamaya.
Dun muna.
Pero naalala ko lang din nga na nung nakapasok, ang kilala ko lang doon ay si Angelica. Like yung may actual working
Magkaklase
relationship.
kayo ni Angelica.
Siya ay one batch higher than me.
Okay.
Pero dahil sa mga QC
Kayo lang yung
shows,
QC.
Right.
oo, nagkakaroon kami ng mga...
Yung pa-QC.
Yes,
yun ba yan?
kasi yung class group ko at class group niya would often collaborate in different shows. So parang kami lang yung may working relationship. Everybody else na Makati people. And yung iba parang matagal naman ng QC. Parang ganon.
Oo.
Sila Dar, di ba? Matagal na
Yes.
sila kahit QC sila. Pero hindi na sila as active
Yeah.
that time. So parang wala akong working relationship with them talaga.
Correct.
Pero tama ka, inisip ko noon na parang siguro naman lahat nung nag-audition kukunin. Parang ganon. Kasi, di ba, parang ito na nga lang ilan lang naman nag-audition. Ilan yon? Parang mga 20. Pero at the same time, inisip ko rin na siguro hindi naman 9 lang yung kukunin. Kasi kung yung split nga, parang 15 kayo nun, inisip namin na siguro 15 yung kukunin para same number.
Oo.
So, nagulat ako na 9 lang. And it was supposed to be 7.
Oo.
Seven.
Diba?
Parang BTS.
OT7 sana.
Oo.
Sige, bago natin tanungin ang feedback ni Didi and Bibay noon, experience nila during the audition, sabihin muna natin sino yung nasa house team noon. So, ikaw, Papu, Cara, Carl, Angelica, Jason, Dar,
Raina.
and
Viola.
Viola.
Yes. Ayan. So, Didi and Bibay, kamusta yun? Being the judges in the audition.
So kami, apat tayo, no? From
Yeah.
Spit. Ding Dong, ako, Arin, and Akong. And then, so yung tama kayo na yung magkakagrupo was based on sa availability. So kung sino yung available on the time slot, I think that was like 30 minutes per. Tama ba?
Yes.
Parang ganun.
30 minutes per. Sila yung magkakagrupo, kunwari. So, and then there will be tasks. So, may particular game na kailangan nilang laruin. Ganyan. Yun. So, nakakatawa na naisip nyo na, na baka lahat kukunin. Kasi meron talaga kami, may pa-criteria kami. Parang may ranking tayo. Tama ba?
Basta alam ko ano yun eh. Kasi kami ni Arin, syempre kilala na kasi naging teacher na
Yeah.
most of the auditionees naging estudyante namin. So kailangan ng fresh eyes. Kaya
Yeah.
nandun si Akong and
Si
Bibay.
Bibay.
Kasi wala naman sila masyadong interaction with you sa pang-araw-araw. Para fresh. Kasi may bias na kami. Ayun. Tapos pero yun naman, kailangan siya, may susundan na standard. Ganun. Tapos, ayun. Pero hindi kami nag-uusap.
Okay.
Wala.
Nanood na sila, nanood kami, tapos nag-notes kami on our own. Tapos nung after na, saka lang, tapos parehas yung, as in sobrang unanimous lahat. Up to the,
Except
Nam-
isa.
oo.
Nainis ako. Magpapa-controversial. Magpapa-controversial ako.
Hindi natin babanggitin.
Hindi, gusto ko.
Dun sa Patreon nila malalaman. Wala pang Patreon,
May
pero
bayad.
may Patreon
So,
na.
hindi ko talaga
May project.
i-reveal.
Yung pangalan.
Wag yung pangalan.
Oo.
Kasi, sikat na siya ngayon.
Ooh.
Okay?
Mm.
Guys, sikat na siya ngayon. Ito lang sasabihin ko. Inis na inis ako dun sa tatlong co-judges ko. Dahil ako lang may kilala sa kanya. At alam ko magaling tong taong to. So, inis na inis ako nung nag-deliberation. Pero everyone, tama naman si Ding Dong na everyone else, except for that one person, na nag-agree naman kami.
Parang siya yung, sa amin naman, nandun siya number 10 siya.
Okay.
Oh, so, parang,
Oo.
oo.
Okay.
So,
Nag-decide kami before everything na hanggang 9 lang.
Oo.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
So, hindi talaga sinama si Tem.
Okay. Okay.
Pero, oo, sikat na tong taong to and I'm so proud of them.
Yes.
At nasa housekeeping na naman.
Ay,
Yes.
sinabi natin.
Sino ba?
Hindi pa rin nila alam. Ang dami pa rin bago eh.
Hey, his name is Chico Garcia,
And his name is Gino Killiamo.
and together we are Only Fun.
That's right, for only $12 a month.
Ah.
Joke.
But if you're willing to pay, why not? No, we're from a podcast that talks about movies, TV shows. Basically, we do reviews of K-dramas, whatever is on streaming, whatever is on cinemas. We also get to occasionally interview celebrities, actors,
Directors. And of course, infused with our own witty brand of humor and slice of life.
Wow. I guess we don't infuse a lot.
Check it out.
Pero kanina sabi nyo, 7 lang. So, paano tayo umabot sa 9?
Paano nga ba? Kasi parang konti naman ng 7.
Mm.
So parang,
okay.
baka, tas in-assume namin na may malalagas.
True enough.
Oh,
Nangyari naman.
Oo.
na-achieve
So,
naman.
Oo. Na-achieve.
Kaya I mean,
Nangyari siya dahil nag-pandemic.
Yes.
Oo.
Yes.
Correct.
And kami noon sa house team ay tapos na yung commitment namin to train with Spit. Pero nagtuloy-tuloy kami mag-train. Pero meron pa rin mga nalagas.
Yes.
I think same din na pinagdaanan ng Spit during the
Yeah.
pandemic.
Oo. So, yung pandemic, I think generally lahat ng tao and I guess sa mundo,
Mm.
may pagbabago sa mga dynamic nila with other
Yes.
people.
Yes.
So, siguro it's safe to say na half ng Spit na parang kumbaga pre-pandemic na team na intact, nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, parang almost half, tama ba, na umalis. Hindi naman.
Hindi naman ha. Pero madami.
Lay
Marami.
Oo, parang
Dami.
malaking nawala.
May nag-abroad, may
Oo.
sige, nagbagyo,
Tapos,
J-move. Actually,
Oo.
si Jay announced his
Before pa.
retirement in
MIF.
the last MIF
Yes.
before the
Pandemic.
pandemic.
2019.
2019 he announced it. So yun yung last, so kumbaga Leave with the Bang si Jay. Maganda yung as in ang ganda nung long form namin sa MIF. Manila Improv Fest MIF. Yun. Tapos si Maliksi Merong
active naman siya during. Pero
during,
nagkasakit.
oo.
Yes.
Pero na may health
Oo.
issue. So, yun, may ganun.
Nalala ko yung kasi during pandemic, parang sabay din, hindi man sabay, pero Spit and House Team would constantly have a weekly online show. Parang tinuloy pa rin natin eh.
Yes.
And alam mo, I would really attribute sobrang laki nung naitulong nung tinuloy natin na training, nag-online improv pa rin tayo. During pandemic, sa kung ano yung naging performance namin, and I think part of the reason bakit din kami na-invite to join Spit, yung performance natin after pandemic, Pops, diba? Parang kung wala yung training na tinuloy natin online,
for sure.
sobrang, ano pa rin yun.
Yeah. The first show after the pandemic
Mhm.
was around the time na nag-decide din kayo to
Mhm.
invite
Oo.
members from housekeeping
Yes.
to join Spit,
Correct.
if I remember correctly.
Interesting to know, and syempre, hindi na natin palalampasin ng opportunity na to ask.
Dito na eh.
Ito na eh.
Bawal,
oo.
bawal hindi sumagot.
Correct.
Oo.
Oo.
Ano yan?
Anong tatanong mo? Ano
Paano
tatanong mo?
na lead? Yun nga, paano napunta doon na, sige, you know what, invite na natin ang housekeeping members.
Ano yon? So, parang ang dami nga kasing hindi na pwede or hindi na active na Spit. So, nag-isip kami, kuha na tayong, kailangan na ng new members.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Tapos ang pa-audition ba tayo sa TWI? Parang open ba natin to whoever? Parang, tapos, naisip, meron din naman yung house team. So, parang,
Napaka-active.
oo. At least ito, parang may one step above na dapat kayo than the rest. So, gawin na lang natin yung parang, yun na yung path.
Mm-mm.
So, parang ganun yung nangyari.
Mm-mm.
Naalala ko pa nga, galit na galit nag-away pa si Dar.
Oo.
At saka si Arin.
Oo. Oo, naalala ko yun.
Public
Sa
din
Big
yan,
Mama.
picture na yun.
Oo, sa Big Mama.
Sa Big Mama.
Sa
Big
poblasyon.
Mama.
Oo.
Step out kami nila, Carnon. Pagbalik namin, may mga nakatayo na. But syempre, of course, new members would mean adjustment din sa buong team. And dahil nga, kita naman natin na we're from different generations. Pero, we made it work. But before we were able to make it work, anong klaseng shift yung nakita nyo din sa mga sarili nyo? Parang the culture shift within the group. And as individual shifts din.
Siguro maganda from the perspective of Ding Dong bilang naabutan niya from the start
Yes, correct.
to how it is now.
Yes.
I'm sure na-witness mo yung evolution.
Ibang-iba. Nung umpisa namin kasi,
Mm-mm.
well, na-feeling ko naman na kailangan nyo namin daanan yun. Kasi ang different, wala kaming teacher eh. Kami lang, we taught ourselves, we would read, we would ganun.
Mm-mm.
Ang nag-workshop lang si Gabe, ganun. Nag-invite kami ng teacher dito
Yeah.
to train us, si Adregi. Pero, yun na yung pinaka-workshop namin. The rest is self-taught.
Mm-mm.
So, every after show, talagang pinag-uusapan namin yung ano nangyari sa show.
Yeah.
And talaga, parang, ang pangit ng ginawa ko. Ba't mo ginawa yun? Ganun talaga. So, may ganun. Oo, na parang, okay. So, pag, ang pinaka-ano dun ang pinaka-rule is, kung hindi mo kaya yung feedback, yung ganun, you're free to go. Kasi hindi tayo mag-sugarcoat ng comments
Okay.
for your ego. We will not take care. Parang, safe space siya in a sense na pwede namin sabihin lahat.
No holds
Oo,
barred.
parang
Safe
ganun.
siya para dun sa nagbibigay ng feedback. Pero dun sa nag-receive ng feedback, hindi safe.
Oo, parang, kasi yun yung parang, kung hindi mo kaya, then hindi ka bagay
Yeah.
dito.
If you
Parang
can't
ganun.
take
If you
the
can't
heat,
Can't take the heat.
get out of the kitchen.
Yeah. So, ganun yung so patigasan talaga. So, survival of the fittest talaga siya. And to the, yun, kaya naman din, and yung, may iba lang na talagang sobrang nagstay kahit ayaw na ng lahat. Nandun pa rin siya kasi sobrang in love siya dun sa isa. Parang ganun.
Wow. Wow. Yun ang pang Patreon. Yun ang pang Patreon.
Yun ang never natin i-reveal.
Tsaka wala na sila lahat. So, ayun. Pero eventually, umalis pa rin siya.
Okay.
Kasi parang, na-bully out talaga siya.
Litawan natin, this was year,
Ano pa na
Early.
Early. Mga
Yeah.
first two years, wala pa sila.
Wala
na-
pa kami.
Kasi,
Kasi 4 years old na yung Spit nung
Semester.
kami.
Yung culture na naabutan mo, Bibay, pagpasok, was it the same as...
Hindi ganun kagrabe.
Okay.
Pero si Ding Dong laging galit sa akin. Lagi siyang galit. Kasi okay. Dati kasi, kumbaga naabutan ko yung dati na bawal magreklamo. I think, andun ako sa generation na sa trabaho, kung magtatrabaho ka, ganun din. At naabutan ko pa yung if you can't take the heat. May ganong mentality sa pagtatrabaho. So ang weird, sobrang weird. Yun, so lagi siyang galit sa akin. Pero sa totoo lang, siguro for the first 2-3 years ng pagka-spit member ko, ang pangit talaga na laro ko. At hindi ako confident. Parang, parang every after a show, parang, shucks, ang pangit, ganyan. And then, eventually, I think there came a point na, sige, wala na lang. Nung nag-decide ako na wala na akong pakialam, gumanda yung playing ko. Kasi hindi na siya masyadong galit.
Nag-let go ka na.
Nag-let go na lang ako. So, pero yun nga, ano rin, nawala rin kasi ako ng 1 year, mga ganon. Grabe yung, yung nakakaloka yung shows that would start really late.
Yeah.
Parang sa Magnet High Street, kunwari ang published time ay 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Nag-uumpisa 10:30. May bilang teacher nga ako, the next day may pasok pa ako ng umaga. Ang late ko nang matulog. So yung matutulog ako 2 hours, tapos papasok na ako ulit. Ganyan. So, pero parang konting-konti nga lang yung dahil nga nagti-thesis ako nun, yung experience ko sa High Street. So, may ganon, yung disregard sa oras, kasi hinihintay yung, siguro rin, yung audience rin, parang before, yung audience ay boss. So, mag-uumpisa lang tayo pagka marami nang nakaupo. Papetiks-petiks pa yung mga audience dati na, kumakain pa kami. Sure. Wala, okay lang na. As in, kahit 9 o'clock, 10:30 magsa-start. Talaga. Ngayon tayo, di ba? Kung ang sinabi natin 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock talaga. Kung magsa-start man tayo ng later, it's just like 10 minutes later. And that's super late na for us.
Yes.
That's unheard of before.
Okay.
So sa culture naman yon of how we work,
Yes.
how spit work before up until now, yun yung pagbabago.
Marami pa.
Mm-mm.
Marami pa.
One
Yun.
off lang.
One off lang.
Ayan na. Magja-jump na tayo. When we came in, Pops. Oo. Siyempre, bago tayo. Siguro tanungin.
Grabe yung war flashbacks ng ating team building. Pag-uukatin na naman natin sa episode na to. Episode 3 pa lang to, guys.
Oo. Nakakailang minutes na tayo. May
Therapy pala
mahaba-haba
to
na
for us. No?
Who knew?
I see.
May tanong ba ako?
Hindi, parang okay, sige.
May tanong.
Kamusta yung
Oo. Kamusta naman when we joined Spit na? Parang what kind of culture shift na yung na-experience natin? Naalala ko kasi, we really worked on it by doing an emotional culture ECD. What's that? ECD? Oo.
Emotional
ECD.
Culture Deck.
Oo, correct. So, ako personally, I love that happened. Kasi for me, yun nga, parang since bagong grupo to and bagong member ako na papasok into Spit, parang na-appreciate ko yung process na yun because nga, we got to know each other more and parang mas personal na mas na-express ko din kung ano yung parang paano ako as a player, as a member of a group, etc. So, doon ko talaga na-feel yung malaki at importanteng shift na nangyari. Ako, personally, when I joined Spit, parang nagkakitaan tayo eye to eye na, okay, ganito palang klaseng tao si Didi, si Bibay, ako, ganyan. Ganito pala ko maiintindihan yung communication style niya. So, I feel maganda at malaking impact yun sa how we work now and sa culture that we are continuously building as Spit.
Yes, but before then, I think one of the reasons why we had to have that was because there was the older members versus the young members conflict. And kaya rin nag-decide na we have to have a third party group step in to do the ECD. So for reference, Third World Improv is also a training organization. So we provide training or simply put team building, pero team building is the pinaka basic. It's really culture building. Third World Improv provides culture building training services for organizations. And we couldn't do that na third world improv rin ang
Oo.
magfa-facilitate. Kasi
Yes.
mangyayari nun, iba yung dynamic. Parang may status play na ako nagfa-facilitate, akin yung mic or whatever.
Mm.
So, iba yun. So, we had a third party step in to do that for us because there was a definite us versus them kind of na the older and the younger versus ganyan. So, yung it was a shock for us na why are they complaining about the TF? Why are they
I remember.
Of course you
asking about
Asking.
that. We were asking
Curious.
about that.
Oo, asking about it. Pero kasi kami, we never asked.
Uh-huh.
Like, we never thought to ask.
Yeah.
When before you came, we would get whatever
Yeah.
we can. Like, 2,000 pesos. Yan.
And I think that's also reflective of the communication style and
Yes.
difference din between the first generation of Spit to the current generation.
At saka nag-iba din kasi yung kahit yung payment schemes.
Oo,
Ganun.
Yes,
Mm.
yes.
Kasi may OR na, may
Correct.
gets,
Oo,
ganun.
may buwis.
Dati, kasi, automatic yan, whatever we get, divided by X number of people.
Correct.
Ganun lang siya.
Mm.
So,
Plus pit.
pang plus one person si Spit.
Yeah.
So, ngayon, meron may tax na, may ganun pa.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
ang dami ng...
Kasi tayo ay mga mabubuting mamamayan.
Yes.
ng
Correct.
bansa.
Yes.
Nagbabayad po
Our
kami ng
taxes,
buwis
nagbabayad
kahit
po.
ayaw
Oo.
namin.
Oo.
May resibo kami. guys.
Kahit di namin nararamdaman yung benefits.
Yes. So, naman. Pakiayos.
Kaya mareklamo rin kami.
Yes.
Oo.
Scratch your back.
Karapatan.
Pero,
May karapatan
yung-
kaming magreklamo sa gobyerno kasi nagbibigay kami ng pera sa inyo mga
Pero ang ganda kasi hindi pa naman din final yung mga structures and working
Oo.
processes natin, di ba?
Yeah.
kasi naman, and I think naman any organization, including Spit, is
Yes.
a living organism.
Yeah.
So parang tao din siya na nag-grow.
Yes.
At hindi pwedeng hindi ka mag-grow kasi
Yes.
wala. Magiging table ka.
Sinipa.
Ganda na nabanggit mo yung pag-grow, Didi.
Mm.
Ito na, Q. Kasi, right now, ang dami nangyayari, di ba? Ang saya, nakaka-excite. Yung dami nating opportunities, daming pwedeng mangyari. For you, Didi, yes, ikaw talaga yung unang kong tatanong ngayon. Oo. Ano pa yung right now gusto mo mangyari? Or saan ka pa excited? Saan sa tingin mo pa natin kayang dalhin yung Spit?
Madami. Well, I think naman, hindi yun up to us. Parang, mas ako ever since naman, parang, nung, ang dami kasing members ng Spit na parang feeling nila, hanggang dito na to.
Mm.
Kaya sila umalis. Kasi
Yeah.
parang okay na ako. This is Spit. And okay na ako sa Spit. Yun. At ang daming, ako talaga hindi bumitaw. Parang, kasi feeling ko naman meron pa talaga. Pwede pa siya
Oo.
Pwede pang i-push-push. Tapos, so ngayon na nandito na, sobrang daming social media na hindi pa rin natin talaga totally
Yeah.
Yes, natatap.
natap at nagamit. So, ang dami pa eh. Tas, as technology evolves, I'm sure, kailangan, sasabay tayo dun. Kung ano man yung trends na kung like yun, nauso yung TikTok, pumasok tayo ng TikTok. Nauso yung ganun, Reels na nag-Reels.
Mm.
Nag-podcast na kami. Ganun.
Oo.
So, ganun. So, Patreon na nga.
Ito yun na yung next.
Next.
Oo.
Pero curious ako to know, before we move on to the other members, Didi, may times ba na naisip mong mag-quit na rin ng Spit?
Madami.
Alright.
Pero, ano din kasi like, my professional life as a theater, 30 years yun. 22 of that was with Spit.
Mm.
So parang, ang dami ko ng taon na binigay sa Spit. Tapos ngayon pa ako bibitaw na yumayaman na. So no, I will reap the rewards
Yes.
first.
Na-deserve
Ganun.
naman. Na-deserve naman. 22 years.
Kaya sabi ni Arin na kaya hindi na masungit si Didi kasi kumikita na.
Oo. Kahit naman wala pang kita, nandito pa rin ako, no?
Oo. Actually, to be fair.
At maraming opportunities na hindi ko pinursue kasi
yeah.
mawawala ako sa Spit.
Yes.
Kung magtatrabaho ako sa cruise, magtatrabaho ako sa abroad, paano yung Spit? Laging ganun eh.
Oo.
Parang, mag-Spit na lang ako.
So, love mo kami, Didi.
Hindi
Love mo.
naman, yung
Okay.
Spit.
gusto ko lang inamin kasi
Melina, for the record.
Talaga, baka makatch ko eh. Baka nasa mood ka pa eh.
Muntik na.
Hindi ka na eh.
Ulitin natin sa episode 4. Thanks, Didi. How are you, baby? Saan ka ba excited dalhin tong
Naku,
spit?
ang dami. Ang dami ko talaga naiisip. Ngayon kasi, nag-uumpisa na mag-partnership with brands. And ang learning ko, a lot of the people, a lot of the brands that, or / ahensya's that we work with, expect that what we do is magic. Na we can do whatever. Pero hindi. I mean, potentially yes, but not in the way that they imagine.
Yeah.
And whenever I explain that it's very alien, lalo na sa mga ahensya, because they're very scripted. And I can understand that that's their job. And there are asks from the client, what not. And then may council na mag-approve ng whatever, ganyan. I understand that. But they have to understand to ride the spit wave. Ang yabang ko, spit wave. Pero, sabihin na natin yun.
Podcast naman natin.
Podcast naman natin to. Diba? Wala namang magre-refute, diba? To ride the spit wave, you have to do it the spit way.
Ganda.
Kasi, the reason why there's the wave, we made the wave. Yon. So, meron ako, basta yun. Ayoko na ng sabihin. So, basta sa Patreon. Sa Patreon!
Abangan. Oo, sige. Sa Patreon na itutuloy ni Bibay.
Pero hindi, yun nga. If you want to ride the spit
Yes.
wave, you have to do it the spit wave.
Correct. Thanks, B. Kanina, Papo, sabi mo, ganda nun ang sinabi ni Bibay.
To
Oo.
To ride the wave.
To ride that wave. Hindi,
Oo.
actually, gusto ko rin yun na, itong spit wave that we are in, I'm so grateful and happy that it is happening to us right now at this, I would say, age in our lives. Na tayo ay above 30 na lahat. Kasi imagine, except one. Na it would take some sort of maturity to be able to handle all of this attention and demand, and nang hindi ka nagiging careless about it. Kasi maririnig mo yun, di ba? Meron mga batang sisikat and then kung ano na mangyayari at mapapabayaan nila yung sarili nila. Pero tayo, also given na ang tagal na ng spit, parang hindi mo na siya mauuga. Itong attention na to ay hindi na siya necessarily something na kayang i-shake or parang merong ibang magsasabi na hindi, ito dapat yung gawin nyo. Kasi parang tayo, alam na natin sa sarili natin kung ano yung ginagawa natin at alam natin for sure na alam natin siya. Na parang if somebody else would say, dapat magdagdag kayo ng maganda sa group nyo or pogi, ganyan, di ba? Parang sabihin natin,
sa Patreon.
parang hindi. Like, ito kami, like, wala akong paki, di ba? Kasi nga, na tayo, yung ating prefrontal cortex ay developed na very much, 'di ba? Na kayang-kaya na natin i-take itong lahat at hindi na tayo as conscious and concerned about what other people would say about us. So yun lang, masaya ako na yun na, para tayong well-oiled machine na even before all of this social media and whatever. Na parang
Definitely.
kahit wala yun, umaandar naman ito. Kaya ngayon, itong well-oiled machine na to ay aandar lang ng aandar hanggang sa kung saan man niya gusto pumunta.
Yes.
But ikaw, personally, Paps, na-imagine mo ba tong career na to for you?
No. Hindi ko to pinag-aralan. Nag-aral ako ng 6 na taon ng chemistry, physics, mathematics. At ito ako ngayon.
Wait, anong background mo?
Ako ay food scientist. And here.
Nagamit mo naman yung mathematics.
Oo naman.
Compute ng
Na gamit naman kahit physics, sound, 'di ba? Pero naman, okay lang. At yun din naman ang tinuro ng improv sa akin. Na hindi ka talaga makakapagplano ng buhay.
Yes.
And ang magiging determinant mo ng success or failure is not really the opportunities that come, but what you do with those opportunities. So tulad nito, bilang kaladkarin, nandito na ako ngayon. Sa couch na to, pinapag-usapan ang aking sariling buhay at improv.
It's
Na
so
10 years
weird.
ago, 10 years ago parang, what's
What?
improv?
Basta parang sino bang magiging interesado sa buhay ko?
Diba?
May ganun.
Diba?
But I need to say, Paps, every time na ina-apply mo yung truth mo as being a food tech or food scientist in scenes, sobrang gandang panoorin nun kasi nga, yun yung truth mo as a
Tama
person
naman.
na apply din.
Yeah.
So, thank you for being who you are, Paps.
You're welcome.
So ikaw, bakit kami lahat nagkwento?
Oo nga eh.
Eh,
Oo
diba?
nga.
Eh, kasi may sequence tayo eh. So, ako na. This is me. Oo. Ano yung question? So, saan ko pa gustong i-take yung spit? Oo. Ako naman, napaka-baby pa ng experience ko with spit as a whole. Pero, sobrang excited ako kasi nga, to be honest, pangarap ko magkaroon ng podcast. And where we are right now, in an official studio.
Speaking of
na meron-
podcasts.
Speaking of podcasts. So, excited ako to see more of what we can do. Kasi, yun nga, as an improv, as an art form, sobrang yang, sabi nga natin, endless content. So, endless platforms and endless opportunities din. Pero, hindi endless ang time natin right now. So, we need to wrap it up para naman may aabangan pa ang listeners natin in the next episodes. So, thank you so much, listeners, and thank you so much to the Spit members who are with me right now.
Thank you, Cara.
Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan
correct.
natin.
Ito na.
Yan ang
Para i-wrap
segue.
Up natin tong episodes. Ikaw, simulan natin, pabalik naman.
Okay.
Paps,
Sige.
ikaw, for you, ano yung na-discover mo in this episode? Or what is it for you?
Ang gulo ng tanong na yun, ah. Pero I think,
Merge mo lang.
what is this episode for me? I would say this episode for me is a nice catching up of the then and now.
Yes. Ganda. Thanks, Paps. B?
Revelation. Akala ko kasi yung episode 3, walang nakasulat na topic. Sabi ko siguro gaguhan to. Tapos ang lalim. Bigla ko ang lalim.
And we're just getting started.
We're just getting started. Siguro, but also looking forward. This is so funny because yun nga, again, you don't know what you're gonna get when you are doing improv. And I wasn't expecting this to be like this. The episode to turn out this way. But very, very grateful.
Thanks, B. Didi.
Transition.
Ah. I love it.
Yan.
For me, documented getting to know each other. Yes. And with that, this has been Tawalets with Spit. I'm Cara.
I'm Ding Dong.
I'm Bibay.
And I'm Papu.
See you in our next episode.
Bye.
See ya! Tawalet! Tawalet! Di ko na Whoa!
Whoa.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.